So this is Loch Ness!
Woohoo!
She always does that, don't ask. So today we're going to explore Loch Ness and show you some of the places, touristy places around Loch Ness, and hopefully find the one and only Nessie.
Not Lossie. Nessie.
I don't know what they're talking about. It's like one of my videos that I said Lossie instead of Nessie or something or other. Anyway, here we are. I'm also going to show you some drone shots of the loch as well. Look, ain't that exciting for you guys? The Loch Ness Nessie shop. It looks like it's closed though, which is a shame. But there is a massive Nessie that we get to have a look at. It's me and Nessie! Woo! This was meant to be a scenic picture of Loch Ness, apart from the fact it was windy as anything and wet. So when I set my drone up, it decided to have other plans and ended up 30 meters the opposite direction, and me panicking that I was going to lose my drone. I was like, come back, come back! And Holly was like, help us on the way down! We are at Drumnadrochit, one of the biggest places. Drumnadrochit! And it is one of the biggest places for Loch Ness tourism stuff. So let's show you around some of that stuff. Enjoy! Nessie shop. Oh, let's go and have a look at the Nessie shop. Do you reckon Lauren will mind if we don't put her in the car? Sorry Lauren, you don't come back, we've got someone else in the car instead. You don't come back with us, your seat's been taken. Oh. just take...
I'm on the boot, I'm on the little.
Yeah, I'll put you in the boot and put this on your seat.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think it'd take up 2 seats.
Yeah, Jess, you're not comfortable either. We're being stranded.
You're also being replaced. I'm just going home with cuddly toys. Nessie and Lossie.
Models of the Loch Ness Monster, enticing Nessie Cave and the Nessieland Adventure Playground, which will delight younger visitors.
Yeah, not for all of us. Nessie!
In the park.
So we're at the Drumnadrochit, which I pronounced wrong.
Drumnadrochit.
Drumnadrochit! And this is the tourist information for you guys that want to know a little bit more about the area. Ah, that's a boring sign. We've got the colourful one over here. So there's a trail, there's lots of pictures, and lots of cool art. That is a cool... where's this other sign?
Tourist information.
Ah, we'll get run over.
Please leave that in.
Tourist information. I will read it to you. No, I won't. This is the tourist information. I'm not going to read it to you because I can't bother. Anyway, another time for another gift shop. This time it's the... what's the gift shop's name, anyone?
Loch Ness Gifts.
Loch Ness Gifts. Let's have a look. Some great gift shops ideas. I want to see the monster. Blow my pipe. Full Scottish... Actually, one second, the full Scottish breakfast is wrong. That should be a square sausage. Nessie whoopsies. Urquhart Castle, yeah?
I said, yes, that's it. That's exactly how it's coming.
What's the castle called?
Urquhart. Don't tell him.
Urquhart Castle.
Urquhart.
Let's go and have a look. Well, I fly a drone, and I think you have to go in there to get down there to pay to have a look at that. How rude! They want money to upkeep this castle. Oh, it's lovely weather. Alright, so we made it to Fort Augustus, which is the closest built up place of the Loch Ness. Let's go and have a look at another gift shop before we get some fish and chips. I am starving.
Fish and chips.
What you got for lunch?
Fish and chips.
What you got for lunch?
The same.
I've got Lochness Monster. We're going to eat these in my beautiful car. Lovely clean car. Some chip. Oh, I just smacked myself at the door. Ouch.
What did you do that for?
I didn't mean to.
What's a wee bit greasy?
And the reveal time. Ba-boom.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
That's my Lochness. Yeah, can't be. As you see, it's absolutely horrible weather now, so I'm going to call it a day, but before we do, they're going to show you the other side of the loch where we was at last time, and there's a waterfall. It looks lovely. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.